One of the common questions we have from our clients early on is, how do we go about an electronic data strategy? Well, what we do is we provide a framework that's really threefold on how clients are able to move to an electronic data environment. The first is we have a vendor portal, and that was the first piece that we incorporated about 5 years ago, where our clients can actually direct their vendors to log on to their invoice management system over the web and create their invoice directly in the Avid software. That typically works well for small, medium-sized vendors, but it's tough to get a large vendor, or they say the utility company, to log on and do a second process. But the second piece that we released earlier this year in 2007 was we call our Invoice API. And what that allows us to do is directly map to particular vendor files, large vendors, say the utility companies that have a defined file format that we can map to and directly receive their invoices directly into our application electronically. Again, it eliminates all the paper from the process. And then the last piece of it is something that we're really excited about is today, and it's a rapidly growing number, we have estimate roughly 50% of all the vendors interacting with our application each month, which is well north of 200,000 vendors, utilize QuickBooks as their core accounting application. And what we're doing is, especially leveraging our partnership with Intuit, is we created a QuickBooks plugin that our clients will be able to distribute to all their vendors, allow the QuickBooks vendors to submit their invoices directly to the Avid Invoice application from QuickBooks seamlessly, and to provide all the controls and confirmations that the process has been completed. And those are the things that we're doing to create a roadmap for our clients and how they eliminate the paper and move to a true electronic environment on the front end to replace the scanning of paper invoices.